Alright, new expansion, new rotation year. What year is it this year? Oh, Pegasus, right? Year of the Pegasus. Alright, all these decks are useless now. I have to delete those. Twist. Twist rules. We play 10 years later. Oh, free horseman. That's pretty cool. I forgot I get a free legendary. I totally forgot about that. Okay. Oh wait, no, this is the this is the bundle. Wait. Oh, this is the legendary from the bundle? Okay, I think so. Projection orb was pretty bad. I think I don't have all the mage cards to play Galactic Projection Orb, but we'll see. Maybe we get to open some. Sort of legacy. 20 gold off 50. Okay, I have 114 packs. Alright. I think I'll start with getting the first legendary in the 10 packs. And then I'll speed run through these. I'm not gonna go through one by one, man. That's too much. But I don't remember all the cards from the reviews. Let me 40 epics and legendaries, I guess. There's too much cards. I'm not choosing and rares. I got epic. 6 stitching. Oh, this is a pretty bad one, I remember. I'm not sure if it's good. Oh, that's a bad first epic. Okay, that was fast. I'm not sure if it's good. I don't know what the shop epics are. I mean, there's the probably with this expansion, huh? Oh, there it is. Alright, I don't really know what legendary I want, so let's go ahead and open it. Legendary! Oh, Khadgar? Oh, guess I'm playing Mage this expansion. Yeah, maybe. Let's play Mage this expansion. Alright, let's pop 10 of these. And one go. Ooh, got legendary in 10 packs. That's pretty sick. Oh my god, Hemet. Oh, Hemet's not great, I think. Okay, Window Shopper. Discover a demon, says stats and cost to disc minions. There's miniaturize. Not sure what the demon pool is. Water cannon. Okay, I think Pirate Rogue is good. Okay. So the others are probably insignificant. Yeah. Alright, that goes on our 10. Oh shit, that's 15 in there. That's on 10. 15's too much. Wow, I got 2 legendaries? Wow. I was just shitting. Oh man. Dude. The Firestone is ruining. Can I? Okay, wait. Let me close Firestone. Bro, Firestone. You just ruined the fun. I got Stitches too and Shutter Block. Okay, so got Shutter Block. So I think Shutter Block is very good. So I think we can play Shaman this expansion. I think Stitches too is also good, but I'm not sure if there's an actual deck for Stitch and Sue. Alright. Got pretty lucky. I already got like 4 legendaries in 30 packs, so my first 10 packs were pretty unlucky, but it's getting lucky. Got another legendary, wow. Oh! His signature, oh my god. Dude, my last signature was... Yeah, my last signature was Putricide, which is from all the way to Martial Lich King. So I didn't get any signatures in last year. Wow, okay. The second my only signature rotated, I get another signature. I guess I'm playing Shaman this year. Okay, I'm getting really, really lucky. Extremely lucky. Okay, these 10-pack openings are pretty good. Okay, no more legendaries. Playhouse Giant, cost 1 on each card you drawn. I did get this, but oh, maybe I can play. Yeah, maybe I can just play the Projectionist Orb deck. No minion mage. Each card you draw in this game, Playhouse Giant. Okay, just probably works with Wheel of Death. Let's see. Ooh. Wow, 3 epics and a legendary. Mystery Egg sucks, I'm pretty sure. Geppetto. Copies of uh I don't know what deck runs Geppetto. Man, I think it's the kind of the first bad legendary I opened, but I ain't complaining about legendary in 20 packs. Erlon 3 epics. I think 3 epics is still kinda lucky. Silk Stitching is bad. RC Rampage. Curse Campaign. I think Curse Campaign. I don't know what deck wants to run Curse Campaign. I think Aggro Hunter runs RC Rampage. Not really sure. I haven't seen the Theory Craft decks. I already seen the I've only seen the review cards, but I didn't see the Theory Craft, so I don't know which cards are actually good. Okay, no legendaries. Nostalgic Clown. I got this card earlier, but I didn't really see it. If you played a higher cost card while holding this, deal 4 damage. I mean, I know what this card is callback to, but the card that it's callbacking has nothing to do with this Battle Cry. I'm not sure, but it's 6 mana, deal 8. I think it's meh. I think it's pretty meh. But the miniaturized version is pretty good. Alright, 30 more to go. I get 1 more legendary at least. I heard Paladin is good though. I'm not sure if they run a legendary. Rainbow Seamstress. Maybe yeah, I'll have to craft Rainbow. I've been holding off on crafting Rainbow DK. But I think this expansion might make Rainbow DK pretty good. Plus I got the Headless Horseman, so maybe I had to commit into making Rainbow DK now. At the end of your turn, summon a 6/7 bot that attacks a random enemy. Well, miniaturized is pretty good, but it's 10 mana though. The miniaturized version is good. It attacks a random enemy, so it can go face. Okay. I think only Mech Warrior would run that deck card, or maybe like some big deck that can summon mechs as well. Okay, got a legendary. Let's open these 2 epics first. Flash Sale. Okay, Flash Sale is good. I think Flash Sale is just crack. Jungle Gym. Okay. Ooh, Ziliax. Okay, Ziliax has to be good, right? Ziliax has to be good. So flexible. Okay, good. I like Ziliax. Alright, 15 more. Let's just go in. We get a legendary. Oh wow. Okay, my luck is pretty good this expansion. Ooh, King Plush. King Flush is cute. Yeah, it's one of the cards I wanted. I think I forgot about this card. So cute. Look at it. Okay, but I don't know if there's a hunter deck that runs that. Okay. Oh, now we can see what cards we got. We got some pretty good games. Well, I don't know if this makes it into a recording, but I'm gonna go see what cards I missed. For a new expansion, Whizbang. CCG and Mechtherodon. Okay, I think they're not that great. I can't play Highlander Hunter, Highlander Demon Hunter because I have Kurtrus. But I think Highlander Demon Hunter isn't that good. I also didn't get any Druid legendaries, which is like these spell Aulonius. So not playing spell damage Druid. Hunter, I got both the legendaries. I think Hammett should be pretty bad. Got a mage, so maybe I got both Yogg in the boxes as well, so maybe I'm just playing no minion mage. Terim. I saw Zacho say Handbuff Pattern is the best deck of the expansion, but I haven't seen what deck list it is. But I'm pretty sure Terim is good enough for that deck. Okay, oh, I didn't get Raza. Yeah, that was the one card I wanted because I crafted the Heartbreaker Herdanus. So I was planning to play Raza like a kind of OTK deck or something. Sonya, Goldbeard. I think Goldbeard kind of sucks, right? Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. Is there a way to cheat Goldbeard? I'm not sure. Hagatha, I got the signature version. Wheel of Death. Nemzi. Okay, Nemzi is just the big demon card. So, I'm not sure if that's good. I didn't get Doctor Room. Bot Face. I think Bot Face is kind of fine. I didn't get Whizbang. Oh. Wait, I only missing Whizbang from the legendary for... There's 4? Oh, I got Ziliax, right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the expansion ones is 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got 2. This free, so I'm only missing Whizbang, which I think I'm not gonna be playing anyways. Alright, new expansion, new need. Oh, wait, let's start what? Oh, no, it's not. So I move up auto playable decks first. Pretty sure I block, so. Okay, so these are the cards I can craft. So these 4 decks I can play. Okay, great. Yeah, that's gonna be it. I don't even know if the last part of the video makes it. It's just me looking at decks. Alright. So I'll be posting more videos. I'll try to post more videos at the start of the expansion to showcase some decks. So if you're interested in watching me play some new decks, don't forget to subscribe so you get notified when I drop a new video. I'll try to drop maybe I'll try to drop 2 videos by this week. I'll try my best. Work is pretty busy. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment what deck that you're interested in playing, and maybe I'll check those decks out if they don't cost me a lot of dust, that is. So thanks for watching.